Flight BA4102 for Glasgow is ready for boarding.
Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Wandering Nancy. I'll be sharing my recent experiences, hotels I've stayed at, food I've tasted, various encounters, and random thoughts. Welcome to join me in Wandering the World. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm now standing at the entrance of the Osaka Garner hotel. This hotel is very close to Honmachi station, only about a 300-meter walk. In the lobby, they have some toiletries and amenities you can help yourself to. Let's head to the room after check-in. My first impression is that this room feels smaller than the Holiday Inn I stayed at previously. Interestingly, the official size is 15 square meters and the Holiday Inn was only 14 square meters. But the 14 square meter one definitely felt more spacious. They still use these magnetic notice cards. It's a insert card for power system, which has a downside. The room gets quite stuffy because without the card, there's no electricity and you can't turn the AC. Since everything was off, when I arrived, the room was extremely warm. I just turned on the air conditioning. There is a few hangers and a full-length mirror. Slippers were casually placed on the floor, which is unusual for Japan. There's also an air purifier in the room. On my left is the bathroom. The door swings in a slightly awkward direction, not the most convenient design. The toilet itself is tiny, almost like a children's toilet. The sink looks like something you'd find on a plane or train. Towels and amenities are provided. The bathtub is the smallest I've ever seen. It almost looks like a foot-soaking tub. There are two single beds, both very small. Above the bed, there's an artwork of Osaka Castle. There's a TV, a writing desk, and an air purifying spray. The hotel is quite new, but some of the furniture is already showing signs of wear. There's a safe and a fridge, but the fridge is empty. There's absolutely no space to open any luggage in this room. If you want to open your suitcase, you either need to put it on the bed or open it near the door. Let's check out the window view. It's actually pretty nice. Oh, I forgot to mention the welcome letter. I chose the breakfast bento box and the hotel also has offered a late checkout. The room rate was 8,800 yen, but they initially charged me 13,000 yen. When I asked why, they refunded and recharged the correct amount without explaining why. But this means I'll probably be charged an extra transaction fee. I just noticed the air purifier is actually quite dirty. The filter really needs to be replaced. Both beds have no bedside table and the hotel has no USB-C ports, so keep that in mind if you're planning to stay here. It's my first time seeing a shared hot water kettle out in the corridor. Downstairs at the Garner shop, there's a small convenience style area where you can buy snacks and drinks. Prices are reasonable. There's also a small social game hub. Breakfast time. This is the bento box I pre-ordered. Here's what the restaurant looks like, pretty simple. I need to heat my meal in the microwave myself. I'm going to enjoy my breakfast now. I hope this video is helpful for you. See you next time.